How to use Ask AI for resume writing. Need help writing a resume that actually gets noticed? Today, I will show you how to use Ask AI to create or improve your resume in minutes. Let's get that dream job started. First, open your browser and head to www.iask.ai. You can use it without an account, but logging in gives you more tools. In the search bar, type in a prompt like write a professional resume for a recent business graduate or create a resume summary for a software developer with 2 years of experience. Then hit enter and boom, Ask AI will generate a tailored resume or section for you. You can get specific too. Try prompts like write a resume objective for someone applying to a marketing internship. List key skills for a data analyst. Format a resume using bullet points. Ask AI can generate full sections or just the part you need. Once you get a result, read through it and make tweaks if needed. You can even ask, make this resume sound more confident or reward this experience for a leadership role. Then just copy and paste it to your resume doc or builder. And that's how to use Ask AI to write a resume that stands out, fast, easy and customized to you. No more staring at blank pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.